Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jasmari, and in today's video I'm gonna be doing like a crochet hairstyle, crochet braids or whatever. Hair is braided and I braided my hair like I tried to do the best that I can. I'm not that good at braiding my hair. This is the hair that I'm using. It's by Maybe Beauty. I think I used this hair before, but I got this at my local beauty supply store, and it's 18 inches. I'm taking like a piece of the hair and separating it, and I'm using my crochet needle, and I'm gonna like stick it under the braid and hook the hair onto the like needle and close the latch and pull it through, and that's what creates the loop. Like if you know how to do crochet, then you know what I'm talking about, but for the people that don't, yeah, it creates a loop and you just pull the hair through the loop. You could either do like one strand of the hair through the loop, or you can do like both of the strands, but as long as you like pull it through the loop and pull it tight. At first I was like separating the hair and like putting it in individually, but as I moved up I just like crocheted the hair. I hope you guys are enjoying this video so far. If you're new to my channel and you enjoy watching beauty and lifestyle content, then hit that subscribe button and notification bell to be notified when I upload. And if you're not new, then welcome back to another video. When I was at the beauty store, like I was looking for like a ombre color, and I wasn't looking for like an ombre with black roots or dark roots or whatever. I was like trying to look for something unique and different, but I couldn't find nothing, and I was really upset. I just got this color instead, but I'm just basically tired of like blondes and browns. Like I really in reds, and I really want to try something different. But I think I'm gonna order like some hair online instead of going to the beauty. But yeah, I'm just repeating the same thing over and over like throughout the process. So today is New Year's Eve, and I just want to say Happy New Year to all of you who are watching this video. If you made it this far, I hope your goals for next year will be like will come true. It took me like 4 to 5, 6 hours I think, and like I started at 11 and got done at 3, and I started when I got home, but I was really exhausted and tired. Like I'm doing this voiceover the same day, but I was just exhausted. I was ready to be done with my hair. 5 hours later, and I am finally done with my hair, and this is what it looks like. It's a lot of hair. You feel me? Like, I don't know how I'm gonna style it, but I'm probably just gonna do a half up, half down, like, type hairstyle. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like down below, leave a comment, and don't forget to follow me on my social media, and I will see you guys in my next video.